you next time, Montreal. Yeah, it's hard to read their names. Yan yung mga pangalan dito. Ang hirap basahin. Kaya ngayon, pupunta kami, pipick upin yung truck and then i-deliver namin sa Sarnia. So, we're leaving Montreal. Mag-deliver kami ng Sarnia, Ontario. 8 hours to 9 hours ang biyahe naman namin ngayon. Nakabalik na kami ng Ontario. Basahin ng mga ano nila dito, mga words. Kalaban mo lang dito mga ano, mga basahin. Ito yung truck na i-deliver namin sa Sarnia, Ontario. Ayan. Blue. Kinuha namin sa Montreal. Ngayon, i-deliver namin sa Sarnia. Ano yan? Bukas pa namin ma-deliver. Dadaan muna kami ng bahay kasi wala na, late na. Late na kami makakadating doon. Eh, madadaanan lang din naman yung bahay namin. Kaya daan muna kami sa bahay, matulog. Then, bukas na namin siya i-deliver. Ayan siya. Ang init. Ayan, nagpagas lang kami. Nagpapagas lang kami. And then, biyahe ulit. Ang init. Parang ano, parang yung buko nakatayo. Oh my goodness. Ayan. Ang init. Kanina pa kami nasa arawan. Kasi kinabit yung hits ng truck and then drive agad. Ang aming mga container, lalagyan namin yan. Kasi binabayaran din yung niya, yung gas niya. Mamaya. Look at that sun. Panubog na ang araw. Nasa bulsada pa rin kami. We are here in Trenton.
Trenton.
Yes, correct. Trenton. Grabe. Hirap din kasi yan. Malapit na kami ng Port Hope. 1 not 1 kilometer. As long as we are near in Port Hope. And madilim na. Step over, Trenton. Dito magpigil muna kami dito. Yung amo ko na-stress na. Stress na siya sa ilaw eh. Nasa Toronto na kami. Pinabi na kami. Ayan. Yan ang Toronto. Ayan ang aking baby.
Hey, baby.
Ito ang Toronto. Traffic.
I don't like big cities.
No, me too. I'm contented enough where we are now. In St. Thomas. I don't crowded place. I can't believe it. For me, I like to live in a peaceful and not crowded.
Yeah, I think a lot of people find that they don't need a car. They can't drive, they don't have a car. In Toronto, they can get by without a car.
Yeah, like Glenda.
Yeah.
She don't know how.
Like your friends from the Philippines.
Yeah.
That came to Toronto.
Glenda is still, she don't know how to drive. And she's 2 years ahead of me.
Yeah. I think Sean's going to make sure she can drive.
Yeah. Look at that. Ayan, nakadating din kami. Pero hindi pa talaga dito lang sa aming lugar, St. Thomas. Iiwan namin muna dito and then babalikan namin bukas. Ayan siya. Babalikan namin bukas para i-deliver. 2 oras na lang. Yung Kaya 2 oras na lang ang aming bubunuin. Ayan guys, see you again tomorrow. Nakadating kami dito ng Matiwasay, ng safe, dito sa parking lot ng may-ari. So, bukas babalikan namin yan para i-deliver. Ako naman yung mag-drive kasi kawawa naman yung isa. Kaya, bukas ulit. So, lakad na naman kami. Ihatin namin yung truck. See you later. Maulan na araw dito. Yan, busy na naman ang aking amo. My shirt, Montreal. Souvenir. Ayan, paalis na kami. Hatid namin yung papuntang Sarnia. Ayan siya. Kita-kits tayo doon mamaya. Maulan lang siya. Ayan. Makulimlim dito. On the way to Sarnia. Ano na lang to? Mga 1 oras lang. Mabilis lang to. We're here. All deliveries to south side of building shaping office. That's south side. No security guard. Nothing, baby. So maybe there. Yeah, there, baby. Yeah, there.
Yeah. All drivers to the south side of building, and shipping office.
Yes. The Canada Deliveroso. Yes, right here. There. That's less than an hour. We're here in Vanguard. There. Huh.
Well, I guess I'll go into that office.
So we're done delivered the truck. Job well done again. So yes. Natapos din yung trabaho. So 1 week. Pahinga muna kami ng 1 week. And then after that, hindi na naman namin alam kung saan na naman kami papunta. Kaya bukas magfe-fishing kami. Enjoy. Ayan guys, thank you. Thank you so much. See you next time again. Bye-bye.